guys, welcome back. So Josh and I were getting ready to head out to dinner tonight for like a date night, and I had a little bit of time to kill before we leave, and I have been needing to film a beauties empty video for a while now. Like, I have so many beauty empties, it's just like overflowing this bag. So I just thought I would go ahead and film this real quick before we leave. And I know that a lot of you guys have been missing my beauty videos, and I apologize for that, but I just really needed a break from filming beauty videos. So thanks so much to those of you guys that have stuck around and that really like my vlog videos. I mean, I'm gonna continue to vlog and also film lifestyle videos. So but yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into this. And if you've never watched a beauty empties video before, or if you've never seen one of mine, basically what I do is I share with you guys reviews on products that I have used up. I let you know like what I think about them, if I would repurchase them again or not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. So I have a whole bunch of these Kiss nails probably scattered throughout this bag, but I have just been in love with these nails. This one was like a really pretty like New Year's Eve one. It was like black with gold glitter. I wore that around New Year's Eve. And then these are just like basic French tip ones. And then these are the ones that I'm currently wearing on my nails right now. They're like a nude. Hopefully you can see there. But I have just been loving these. I have issues with picking my cuticles, and I have to either wear like gel, like acrylic gel nails, or these to keep me from picking at my cuticles. And for the longest time I would always go to the salon and get my nails done, and then one day I was just at Walgreens and I saw some of these nails and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give these a try. I used to use them back whenever I was in high school, and I have just fallen in love with these. I feel like they keep my nails in much better condition than going and getting them done at the salon, just because it's really harsh to just get acrylic put on your nails and just have them like sand your nails down. I don't like that. I mean, I know you can get dip, but I just hate going and sitting there for like an hour or so getting my nails done. This is so much quicker, so much cheaper, and I just enjoy those. So I've really been liking those nails. Okay, moving on to some other stuff. So this is, and I probably have another one of these in here as well. Like, it's probably been like 4 or 5 months since I have filmed an empties video, but this is one of my very favorite body washes from the drugstore. This is very comparable to Bath and Body Works shower gels. Like, it's very luxurious, and this stuff is super affordable. I think it's like $2 and some change, or you can even find it for like $1 and some change, I think, like at Walmart. And I just love all of the different scents that they have. This one, Milk and Honey Splash, is one of my favorites. It smells just really warm and sweet and vanilla. So that's why I love using this one in the winter months. I love vanilla in the winter, so use one of those up. Okay, I probably have several Batiste in here, but these two are on top. This is the Batiste with a hint of color, Divine Dark, and then this one is Beautiful Brunette. And I can get away with either one of these. Now that my hair is brunette, I like to use like one of these tinted ones, just because I find that just the regular Batiste, you know, it puts a lot of that white kind of cast in my hair, and I don't really like that. So I usually opt for one of these, and I just really love Batiste because it does such a good job of soaking up the oil in your hair, and I just love it. And it also does a really good job of, you know, if your hair is clean and you want to give it a little bit more body. So just always go back to Batiste. Like, I have some more of these nails in here. Like, I had bought a bunch of different Christmas ones. Like, I really wish I would have saved more of the nails so you guys could see what they look like. But yeah, these were really pretty. They were like silver with gold glitter. So yeah, I've just love those. I've used up some skincare products. So this is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. And this and the Dove, here it is, it's on top. This Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar and these are my go-to products to cleanse my face. I'm either using this or this. I kind of like alternate. So I just love First Aid Beauty because it's good for sensitive skin. It never makes my skin feel stripped of its natural oils. The same goes for this Dove soap. And they both do an amazing job at removing makeup, and especially like, you know, eye makeup, like mascara and stuff like that. So just love both of those. Some more First Aid Beauty stuff that I've used up. Whoops. This is another face cleanser, small like travel size one that I used up. And then I used up the Ultra Repair Cream. This is what I like to use in the evenings on my face, my nighttime moisturizer. And then I used up probably 2 of these. I'll have to look down in there, but this is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, and this is what I use in the mornings to moisturize my face. And I just really love First Aid Beauty because it is so good for sensitive skin, and I've never had any issues with them like irritating my skin or breaking my skin out. So I just love First Aid Beauty. I also have some of my Holy Grail sunscreen that I like to use on my face. And this is the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence in SPF 50+. I get these from Amazon because they are sold in Japan, but this is just my Holy Grail sunscreen. It seeps into your skin, doesn't leave your skin sticky, and it doesn't break. Like, you know how some sunscreens make your skin feel like oily or heavy, and then when you go to put your foundation on top of it, your skin feels sticky, it breaks down your foundation, or like it can just like wipe your foundation off because your skin's so oily. This stuff does not do that. Like, it just absorbs right into your skin. So highly recommend this stuff. Another Batiste. And a bunch more nails. I know like this one here looks like I didn't even use it, but I can't use all of them in there. Like, there's only certain sizes I can use. This is a really pretty one. I love this style. It's one of my favorites. And then this one I wore like around Thanksgiving and Christmas time. It's like burgundy and gold glitter. So pretty. And then I think these were like gray. I don't know if you can see in there the color of those. So yeah, I've just been in love with those. Oh, this is what I use to clean like my makeup brushes and my makeup sponges. It's a Zote soap, and this is actually a laundry detergent bar of soap, but it does such a good job of cleaning your makeup sponges and makeup brushes, and it's super cheap. You guys told me about this in my video that I posted on how like a cheap and easy way to clean a makeup sponge, and in that video I used my Dove soap, but so many of you guys recommended this, and so I picked this up and I love it. Like, I've probably went through about 3 bars. So yeah, highly recommend that. It lasts for a really long time too. I used up some Living Proof stuff. I used up their full shampoo and conditioner, and I highly recommend this stuff if you have fine straight hair like me. For the longest time I was really struggling to find a good shampoo and conditioner to give my hair some body, and these 2 products definitely give my hair some body, especially in combination with this. And this is their Perfect Hair Day in Shower Styler, and it enhances texture and shine. And you're supposed to use this like in the shower after you get done washing your hair, and then just let your hair air dry. But I like to put it in my hair at the end of the shower, and then I don't rinse it out, and I just go ahead and style my hair like normal, like blow dry it and fix it. And I find that this product gives my hair a little bit more volume. It doesn't make it feel like gummy or sticky or anything like that. Like my hair feels, you know, just soft and manageable, but at the same time, like it has body and some movement. So highly recommend these products, and they smell really, really good. I have some hairsprays that I used up. I used up the Big Sexy Hair All Nighter Hairspray. This is one of my favorites when I want a really strong hold hairspray, along with this Chi Helmet Head. These are both like super strong hold hairsprays. I'm currently using the Tresemme Trays, I think 4 hairspray, and that one is also like a pretty, I wouldn't say it's as strong of a hold as these, but for being a more like flexible hairspray, it's like a stronger hold. It's just not as stiff as these. So, and it's also a lot cheaper. Okay, I used up one of the Native deodorants. I'm just such a big fan of this deodorant now. I don't know if I can go back to unnatural deodorants with like aluminum. I just really enjoy Native because I've never smelled like BO using this, and I just love the different scents that they have. This one was in sea salt and cedar, and it smells kind of manly, but I really like the way it smells. This one is a little harder to find. I got this one at Target, but the one that I normally buy is the Vanilla Coconut, and that's the one I'm currently using right now. I really like that one. It just has a light coconut scent. And with this deodorant, it's not an antiperspirant, so if you do sweat a lot, like it's not gonna keep you from sweating. But like I said, I've never had any issues with it, like with me ever smelling bad. So highly recommend that if you're looking for a natural deodorant. And I used up the Bath & Body Works Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. This is one of my very favorite body washes in the fall months. I just love the way it smells. It definitely reminds me of fall. Oh, I just love it so much. So I used one of these up. I used up the Davanesque Minu conditioner. This is one of my very favorite conditioners. It just moisturizes my hair without weighing it down. It gives it so much shine. The Minu conditioner and shampoo, when you use them in conjunction, they just give your hair a lot of shine. I used that shampoo and conditioner today because I had repurchased a new one. And I don't know if you guys can see the shine in my hair, but it just makes my hair so shiny, super manageable. Love the way this stuff smells. I get this at my salon. I know that Davanesque is kind of like one of those brands it's hard to find if you don't know like a place, like a salon that sells it, but I'll link it down below if I can find it online. I used up a Wet n Wild makeup sponge, some red cherry lashes. I don't have them in here, but this was the Stevie number 43s. Okay, we're getting down to some makeup stuff. Oh, I used up the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads. I really like these. I was scared to use these for the longest time because I thought it was going to be too irritating for my sensitive skin, but it has never irritated my skin or made my skin feel dried out. So if you're one of those people that you like to use a toner after you've washed your face before you moisturize, highly recommend these because, you know, they make your face feel extra clean but not dried out. So really like that. Okay, so down to the makeup now that's in the bottom. I used up 2 makeup setting sprays, the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is my holy grail makeup setting spray. I will always repurchase this. If you want your makeup to last all day or all night, highly recommend this, and it also helps to tone down any like powdery products on your face and just make your makeup look a little bit more natural. And then the First Aid Beauty, or not First Aid Beauty, this is the Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray. I used one of those up, and I really like this one because it makes kind of my makeup look a little bit more dewy, and I love the mister on this. It's such a fine mist, so really liked that. Then I have some mascaras that I used up. I used up the Believe Beauty Extended Lash Mascara, and I did not hate this mascara. I wouldn't say it's like my absolute favorite. It did a good job of separating and lengthening my lashes. It didn't really give my lashes a lot of volume, which it is just a lengthening mascara. So, and it has a like rubberized brush, as you can see. I hope my battery doesn't die because it's flashing at me, so I'm trying to like hurry up and get through this before it dies. I used up the Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara. This is supposed to be like a dupe to the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I did really enjoy this. It wasn't quite as volumizing as like the CoverGirl, what is that one? Exhibitionist, which that one's also supposed to be a dupe to the Better Than Sex mascara. So I don't know. I mean, I would probably repurchase this one again. I mean, it was good, but if I had to compare it to the CoverGirl Exhibitionist, which is another one I used up, I prefer this one over that. They both, you know, make your lashes look a little bit more full. And then for like makeup, I used up the Revlon Color Stay makeup. I couldn't think of what I was saying there. And I used up the 150 Buff, and then this is 180 Sand Beige, and this is my summer shade. So I used up those, one of my absolute favorite foundations. And then I used up the Revlon Candid Concealer. This is my absolute favorite concealer. And then the last thing that I used up, I feel like I keep saying used up, I'm sorry, is the Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner in Epic, which this is such a pretty, like, this is what it looks like there. I had just a tiny bit left, kind of like a brownish red. I really like this paired with the Wet n Wild lipstick in Mochalicious. So those were all of the beauty products that I have used up recently. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up or let me know down in the comments. And I hope that you guys are having a great day. Josh and I were getting ready to leave, so I will see you all in the next one. Oh, also too, if you're curious, I do have a makeup tutorial on this, so I will link that down below for you guys. But I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.